Oh, that doesn't work. What's up, guys? Kind of fun. Okay, there's nothing that can actually add light to this situation. Alright, so it's Saturday night, no, Sunday night, New Year's Eve. You notice I'm alone at the moment. Miss Shoky decided to stay home. She's really not feeling good. But I am going out to the Vape Lounge because they're having a Gunpla competition. Little Grand Prix, as it were. So I'm gonna video that and also be a judge. So this will be fun. I'm gonna try to record everything I can, get pictures as best I can, cover this last awesome competition of the year. I'm not competing. It's like when I have something I feel like I can compete with, I will come with something. You know, either of the custom builds I've been working on, or the one hopefully that I'll get done in the next couple months. But you know, it is what it is. But gotta be careful tonight because cops, of course, are everywhere tonight. It is New Year's. So hopefully it doesn't go too late. As you guys can tell, it's not even night yet. I was thinking it was going to be a late night deal like they usually do, but I'm guessing they're saving that for the Gunpla Versus tournament, which I'm not participating in, but I might just stick around for a little while. I don't want to be out late tonight. You get past a certain age and you don't necessarily want to be out all night for New Year's. I was invited to a friend's house. That didn't work out once again just because Miss Shoky is not feeling good. Which I don't blame her. You know, the weather's been crap. She just hasn't felt great. She just got her teeth worked on. It's gonna be freezing tonight. Pardon me while I get on the freeway, guys. Oh, one quick thing. I did finally watch the 4th season of Voltron, which I'm counting as season 3, part 2. I don't like these like 6 episodes, 4 episode long seasons. This is crap. Come on, Netflix, you got money. Make a decent full season. Stop toying with us. A little mad about it. But yeah, I'm hitting the highway, guys, so I'll see you when I get there. There, guys. Wait. Almost there, guys. I've been hauling ass as much as I can, you know, but it's night, it's New Year's Eve. I'm going as quickly as I can. I'm running a little bit late, but I'm sure it won't be a big deal. I do hate these lights out here, though. These are just stupid lights. Oh, all my lighting went away. Isn't it great shooting like this in the dark? But yeah, I'm excited. I think this is going to be a lot of fun, or it's going to be a huge pain in my butt. I don't. But I've got all my equipment back here. Should be pretty good. I need to get in there, get with Mitchell, find out exactly what's up, what is needed of me, and then start filming. At least all the parts that I can film. Obviously, I'm not going to film the judging and stuff like that. I'll film the kits. But yeah, it's going to be a long night, hopefully. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. It's been a long day. We did not sleep well between the both of us. Oop, almost green light. This is not fun. Come on. There we go. So the problem is getting into this parking lot is not easy because you have to cross a blind lane of traffic to get into it. And if you pull the U-turn from the freeway, it's like trying to die. So I try to do it this way where I turn left at the light instead. But yeah, in the parking lot. And guys, the E-Cig Vapor Lounge is right next door to DNA Comics for anybody who cares to come out and check it out. That's where it is. So, you know, I bought stuff from DNA before. Of course, I've competed over here at E-Cig, but it's go time. Let's get in there.
3 or something. Let's go.
Yeah. Guys, this is Daniel. You remember him from the podcast? This is Mitchell's PG Exia, as he's been working on it. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, he can't not go to the 9s on these things. It's kind of ridiculous. I'm wondering, should I try to film the contest in 4K? Have only 5 minutes of footage. There he is. There's the man. All right, guys. So I'm actually here at the e-cig Vapor Lounge. This is Alwyn. He's awesome. He's very instrumental in putting together a lot of Gunpla contests and just fun stuff. Like we got Extreme Versus going on over there, or whichever one it is.
Yeah, sorry. They simplified the name. It's Gundam Versus now.
Yeah. I still call it Extreme Versus because that was the first time. One of the first times I even met you, I think.
Pretty much.
Yeah. But yeah, he's instrumental in doing a lot of Gundam-related things in Houston.
Not really,
on this
but
side.
thank you.
You kind of are. You organize a lot.
I'll shut up and agree with you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'm giving you a lot of credit. Shut up.
Yes, sir.
There you go. But yeah, we're going to do, once everybody gets in here, gets all their stuff together, we're going to be checking out all the different entries. So far, it looks pretty cool, at least from over here. I have to be slightly impartial on one because I knew what was coming. But he didn't know I was going to be a judge at the time. So it's all good though. We got some talented builders, so we're gonna see what's going on. Plus it's New Year's. We're gonna have a lot of fun. And guys, don't adjust your screens. It is that smoky in here.
It's not smoke, it's vapor.
Hush. It's that vapey. It's that vapey in here. That very vapey vibe. Mitchell, you busy? I think Mitchell's busy. Alright, you guys know this man, Mr. Gunpla. So he's the one putting on this lovely event with some backing from all kinds of different other guys, but I think it's a lot of fun.
I have a lot of fun here.
Yeah, and of course, thanks for letting me be a judge.
All right, no problem.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Always a pleasure to have you.
I get to pick on people. What's up, John? How you doing, buddy? We got lots of people. I'm running into you. I should use this as a mirror to make sure nobody's behind me when I back up, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna go out here and take a look. Alright, so laying out the numbers for everybody.
Yep.
So figure it out. Since the final entry finally showed up. Does that count?
She called, she was stuck in traffic.
I know, I'm just picking on her.
All them drunk people out there today.
Yes. Yeah, everybody be careful. As I said repeatedly on my way here. As I was vlogging while driving. Well, I'm not holding the phone up, you know. This actually does help a lot, going full on selfie stick. Now, I doubt that it can actually hear me. So I need to get that microphone set up that I want to get. I guess I'll turn it. Nope, that doesn't work.
Yeah.
What's up? Oh yeah, and there will be beer at some point. We have to be drinking. Well, not him. He's working. That's on the internet forever, Mitchell. We can't be saying. Yeah, he's already on the internet forever. You should just leave your Exia semi-bare like that. I think it'd be funny.
There's a thought process on that. But I want to get the repair kit for it.
Yeah, no, I like the fact that they did P Bandai as an expansion kit, not an entirely new PG. But I guess they sort of did that with the Banshee. So.
But I'm wondering which repair it's going to be.
Repair 3.
Is it repair 3?
No, I'm sorry. No, it's Repair 1. I'm sorry, yeah, it's Repair 1. They'll eventually get there. So it's the full damage version from
Yeah, and I'm also interested, they said that, well, they didn't say, he touched my butt, really touched my butt.
Come on, Willie, get out of the way.
Y'all see it, right?
We're working here. We're trying to do official business.
He's full sharking over here.
Leave John alone.
Yeah, one thing I'm really interested in that repair kit is the Terminator eye going to be LED? Or
I think it's going to be its own. Well, the headlight's up, so it should come through there.
They should put
if it's like the MG, it's a whole new side of the face.
Yeah.
So it should add. It'll probably be a whole new head.
It might be. You never know.
But it depends on how far you have to mod the.
And you never know what the price is going to be either.
They already announced the price.
Did they?
Yeah, it's first. I don't know, but they announced it. It can't be that much because the kit itself is.
You see what I've been organizing?
But considering the price, it's an add-on kit for something that isn't super expensive without the lights because it'll work on both versions.
Yeah.
So
you know what? I think I did hear. Wasn't it like $80?
Yeah, it's like $90. It's not much. But then again, that's nearly the cost of the actual.
I'll still do it.
I still haven't even got my XCA yet. You know, things happen.
Yeah.
End up having to pay a whole lot of money to Big Bad Toy Store all at
I'm
once.
the king of shit.
Well, did you suddenly discover a $900 credit card bill you didn't know existed?
I heard about that.
Yeah.
That was like, damn.
Oops. Yeah, that wasn't fun. Okay, so we do entry number, and then of course it only matters per the scale. So we've got our 1 to 100 scale and then our HG scales.
Yep. Well,
And
144. Some of them are RG. So.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm just saying.
144, 100, and then a third category.
Because these are no grades. Several of these are no grades.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, like that one over there is a no grade. This is a no grade. That's a no grade.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You guys can't see what I'm pointing at. And that's okay. Huh?
This is 6.
Yeah.
So we've got 7 entries in each one.
Yeah, there's 14, so that works.
That's pretty good.
We were going for 15, but nobody wanted to come in for that last. See, I should have brought 15. I should have brought my ball.
Then we got a third category, which is the Grand Prix Grand Champion, which pins all of them against each other.
Yeah, okay, so we have to judge, because I'm learning this as myself, because I haven't had to judge before, so I got to learn it to judge it by the category, and then everything goes into a pot
for the
together.
Grand Prix, like the best of show is basically.
But is that not going to be? Is that going to be points based? I'm talking about this with Willie. Is that going to be points based, or is that going to be just opinion?
We're gonna go on the fly with that.
To the 4 of us, probably just have to agree on it, basically.
We'll look at points. We'll look at different options. Okay. Take a closer look at which one each of us thinks, and then we'll debate not debate, but we'll talk about it and go.
We'll have a beer over it.
Yeah. Hey, I got jungle juice over there too.
Yeah. Yeah, I was told that would hit me an hour after I drank it, so we might want to start judging.
It hits fast.
Oh, I haven't felt it yet, so we'll see what happens. We'll come back in a bit, guys. All right, guys. So we finished all the judging. Of course, you guys saw most of everything, and we actually had a problem. We had a tie for third.
Yep.
And if anybody watching my channel knows, I have no problem with ties because my you didn't see it, but my best and worst hits of 2017, there was a 5-way tie for 5.
Damn.
Yeah,
That's
but no,
tougher.
we had to do some deliberation. Yeah, you're good. Go ahead. You're not interrupting anything. So right now we have an extra judge out there to do some final picking out there. Then we'll do the announcements here in a little bit. But it's been a really good competition. Some really interesting entries.
This is my first time being judged for this major grand.
Yeah, same here.
Grand Prix.
Yeah, I mean I've competed here, but I didn't have anything prepared. Well, I guess I could have if I really wanted to, but I couldn't judge at the same time. And of course, this man threw up the best prize, and nobody knows what it is. Twice.
The last one.
Everybody
was,
keeps guessing.
Yeah. The people so far know it's AMG, but
Yeah. Well, I like who guessed brownies because it looked just like a tin of brownies.
So I'm like, why
Should have. That would have been great. Just fill the box of brownies.
should have.
Special brownies. Well, for this crowd. We know our audience over here.
Yep.
Let's be honest here. My crappy tripod here. It's been pretty good. Everybody's having fun. We got Gundam versus tournament going on over there.
Yep.
And it's been a lot of fun. It's taken a while, but it's all good. But yeah, it's definitely it's fun participating on this side.
Definitely.
But some of these guys are so hard to nitpick.
Yeah.
When they do quality work, it's hard to have to pick through. But that's what you got to do.
Yeah, dude.
It's like you have the obvious ones, and then you have the ones you really have to go over 2 or 3 times. So, but everybody had fun so far.
I'm happy about it. That's what matters.
Yep. Except for Daniel. Daniel's so mad about his Night Gundam being a pain in the butt. You're mad about your Night Gundam being such a pain in the ass. We'll talk about it on the showcase. I'm gonna have him on with his on the channel, so it'll be fun. T2, how did you like judging things?
It was fun. I like school too, like how people do things.
Yeah. Are you learning anything?
Yeah.
No, you're not. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I don't know.
Go away. Go away, TT. There's something over there that needs your attention. I'm just kidding. I'm just talking a lot of crap.
She work with Alien now.
It's my channel. I'll talk crap if I want. It's Pedro's fault.
What?
Yeah. I said it was your fault. The thing. Yeah.